Welcome to our comparison of the Hohem iSteady M6 kit and the COMITok L7C Pro. In today's video, we will delve into the features, specifications, and overall performance of these two smartphone gimbals. Whether you're a professional videographer or a casual content creator, choosing the right gimbal can make a significant difference in the quality of your videos. Let's get started. The Hohem iSteady M6 kit features advanced iSteady 7.0 stabilization algorithms, providing exceptional control and smooth video capture even in dynamic situations. In contrast, the COMITok L7C Pro offers standard 3-axis stabilization, which is effective but may not match the performance of the iSteady M6. For users who prioritize stabilization, the Hohem M6 is the clear winner. The Hohem iSteady M6 kit boasts a magnetic AI tracking sensor that works seamlessly with native camera apps, allowing for versatile shooting options. On the other hand, the COMITok L7C Pro relies on its proprietary app for AI tracking, which may limit its usability in certain scenarios. For those who value flexibility, the Hohem M6 offers a significant advantage. When it comes to portability, the COMITok L7C Pro takes the lead with its lightweight and foldable design, making it an ideal choice for on-the-go filming. In contrast, the Hohem iSteady M6 kit, while offering superior features, is bulkier and heavier, which may not be suitable for casual users. If you prioritize portability, the COMITok L7C Pro is the better option. In conclusion, both the Hohem iSteady M6 kit and the COMITok L7C Pro have their strengths and weaknesses. The Hohem M6 excels in stabilization and AI tracking capabilities, making it a great choice for serious videographers. However, if you're looking for a budget-friendly and portable option, the COMITok L7C Pro is a fantastic choice. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.